Hi. Today I want to share with you one of my grandmother's remedies. I learned from her and I used it for years, but we never shared it with you. So it's called cough syrup out of thyme. Thyme has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and its benefits are enormous. The tiny herbs, as you can see here, the little ones, they are they are full of power, packed with antioxidants, has natural antibacterial properties, and is even said to have anti-inflammatory effects. Thyme is valuable,
Valuable.
valuable medical plant and can help our body with the whole range of cold symptoms. It's antibacterial, antiviral, pain relieving, and expectorant effects can relieve some warts and cough. Among sounds strange.
Among
Among other things that makes thyme as a perfect ingredients for natural homemade thyme cough syrup.
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 We say syrup in Germany.
Syrup.
So you say syrup here?
Yeah.
Syrup.
Syrup. Yeah.
Okay. So what you need here, and I was doing a little bit in front because you have, and this is the recipe, and you can easily make it at home. You need, if you don't have fresh thyme, you need 50-gram dried thyme. If you have fresh thyme, then you need 100 grams, so the double of the amount. Then you need 150 gram of honey, raw honey, not the honey from the store, and you need 1 organic lemon juice. So what you're doing then, and that's what I had done before, you have to put the, oh, you need to, can you smell it? You have to get the,
Hello, everyone.
smell it.
Ooh, wow,
You
it
have
looks
to
good.
take the, I'm under the camera,
Yep.
the 50 gram of dry herbs, not fresh thyme, and you put 200 milliliter of water in it, and you put it on your stove, and you go ahead and let it boil for a short time of period, really, really short. It's starting boiling the water, and then you put it out of the stove, put the lid on, and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. So then all the goodies are here. Then, when you have all of this, and you think, oh my God, this is far too much. No, it's not. So, as I said, this is my Oma grandmother's recipe, and
From
this,
Germany.
yeah, this is a mess right now, but there's no other way you can do. You can put it in a cloth and wring it out, but I'm doing it this way. This is, by the way,
It smells delicious.
what are you doing with this coffee
Yeah.
normally?
Yeah.
So I use it as my press, more or less, to get the juice out of it. And the leftover is good for your compost. So now just press it down. And I don't know if you can see that. You see the liquid, and that's the only thing we need. You need a bottle, clear of course, and take. And this is for the compost. So, and then on top of this, you can put the 1 lemon, organic lemon, bio lemon,
Yeah.
good quality, and the 150 gram honey, good honey.
So that's a pressed lemon, right?
Yeah.
Yep. And I'm sure you already all know we get our honey here from a local imker, or what do you call it? Beekeeper.
Beekeeper. I think Imker is the word we are using in Germany.
Yep. Beekeeper.
So the honey needs a little bit to come through. And then when your cough syrup is done, you need to shake it. I'll show you it later. And then you can keep it in your fridge for weeks because it's cold and it's dark. And you can take, or you should take, at least, it depends on your cough, 1 teaspoon. If you feel you need 1 before you go to bed, then you can take another teaspoon of this cough syrup. So, and you know what? That's it already. See. Oh, you want to shake it?
No, it's too, well, I'll shake it. I did want to show it in the camera before she mixed it so you could see the different parts in it. So, but it smells delicious.
And it's ready to use right now. So you don't have to wait a couple of hours or anything. You can use it right now. This is my second bottle. The other bottle is in the fridge right now. So this will be the reserve just in case with this cough and virus and whatever is
Colds
coming
going
around.
around.
We have enough to help ourselves. So, but this is an easy way with 3 ingredients. We have the thyme, we have the honey, we have the organic lemon, and of course 200 milliliter of water. But that's it. And you have a pretty nice, natural, without any chemicals, cough drops, cough syrup,
Cough syrup.
cough syrup.
Cough syrup. Okay.
And it can, as I said, the best to keep the cough syrup in the fridge. If you store in a cool, dark place, it will keep several weeks. I don't know. I mean, 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
3 to 4 weeks,
I
would
would
say.
say.
Yeah.
I mean, may you taste it or it tastes different when it's done, but it's easy to make a new one. So if you have some throat or cough, we mention it, 1 teaspoon from the syrup. Teaspoon, not tablespoon, teaspoon through the day. Or you can go ahead and add 1 teaspoon to your cup of tea. Just add it.
Yep.
So, and this syrup is, you can use it for your children, for your toddlers, from the age up to 2. So I would not give it to the children under 2, but 2 years and they can take it.
2 years and older.
Yeah, without any issues.
Now, did I read some research there right? There is herbalists out there that make it with alcohol.
Oh, yeah. So, yeah, we saw this just a couple of days ago to make the shelf life longer, which is already weeks. And I mean, if you're really sick, this is not holding weeks.
Right.
So, but to make a longer shelf life, they are really putting brandy in it. And at this point, I would not give it to the kids anymore. And I don't know how it tastes. Or different to the way I learned it from my grandmother, we have lemon and honey in it.
Right.
When you check here, you can see most of the herbalists are doing it without lemon. And we think lemon, as we learned from Oma, lemon is vitamin C, and vitamin C is always healthy for your body if you're having a cold or flu, whatever is going on in your body. So that's why we use the one from Oma. And I want to say it Oma Hustensaft, because the German word for cough syrup is Hustensaft, and honey, lemon, thyme.
Now, do you shake this before you use it?
Oh, yeah. Every time you take a teaspoon of it, you need to shake it, because that everything is combining again. And it will be, in my bottles, what I'm using. You can use whatever bottle you want. I use this one for myself. It will be a little sticky around here because of the honey. Just clean it up and you're good.
Yep. It's different if you have a big lid or something. And truly, for 1 to 2 people, you don't need more for 2 to 3 weeks. And if you do, it's so fastly made. I would say within an hour.
Yeah, half an hour.
Cooking,
half an hour
really.
it has to be. Yeah.
And you've seen how it was made here. So yeah, what did it take us? 5 minutes? Well, it took her, took her 5 minutes to put it together, but more explain about it. And if you like this video, please, down there, like and subscribe, thumbs up.
We're going to say, make it your own. It's not a big deal.
Yeah.
You will be surprised.
Yeah. But,
yeah.
but
I am your master herbalist. I'm not a doctor, and we will not give you any medical advice or telling you what you have to do when you have already medication from your doctor. This is definitely not what we will do and what we cannot do. What we are sharing our own experience, as you know, from us, from our family, friends, and customer. Right?
Right. And there's one thing I'd like to throw in there. You know, when you go to the doctor and he tells you, take this medication for a week. And some out there, I used to be like that too, long time ago. After 2 days, I felt good. And I don't need this medication anymore. This is the same with herbal remedies. Stay on it. Cough syrup. Even if the cough is gone tomorrow or in 2-3 days, stay on it 1 or 2 more days. It will not hurt, but it will help strengthen the immune system.
Yeah, I know why you're saying this. Because I had a really bad cough for a long time, and every time when I wake up and there is nothing anymore, even when we take before I go to bed, can give me our eucalyptus menthol cream for the lungs on the backside. And I'm waking up in the morning and I said, yes, I'm good. And I said to Ken just a couple of days ago, I said, I don't need this anymore. I don't cough. And he said, don't you? No, you take it at least 1 more week until everything is really, really
Really,
gone.
because just if you taken something, just a simple way to show it. So you're taking it, you think from feeling and from your body, oh, I'm cured. But you, the strength of this has taken away for the second. But it has to stay like every medication from the doctor has to stay longer to really prevent it from coming back. So that's the best thing. If you're on cough syrup or something like this, and stay on it a couple more days, just a couple more days, till you 100% can say, no, it's really gone.
Yeah, because otherwise it's a never-ending story. At work, they
It'll
are,
start up again.
yeah, at work every other day a new one is coughing around and sneezing and
Yeah.
running nose and everything, and you think, hey, I'm healthy now, and you pass this guy because it's your work colleague, and boom, you
get the
catch it
next
up
hit.
again. So yeah, and we don't need this. It's done now. Yeah, I take it a little bit longer. I'm listening to my doctor. All right.
But other than that, please like and subscribe again. Okay.
Yeah.
And I would say love and
Love and
light.
light. Ken and Ute from Utes-Herbal-Corner. Ciao,
Bye
ciao.
bye.